If you've ever tried choosing a PDF editor, you know the struggle. There are so many options, free ones, premium ones, and everything in between. So, today we're doing a 2025 review of the most popular PDF editors to help you decide which one is truly worth your time and money. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or running a small business, this guide will break down the tools that give real value without overwhelming you with technical details. Let's start with the editors that continue to dominate in 2025. First on the list is the big one, full-featured premium editors. These are powerful tools known for their accuracy, smooth editing, and reliable document handling. They're perfect for professionals who need advanced features like OCR, form creation, password protection, digital signatures, and collaborative editing. If you deal with PDFs every day, premium editors give you the full package: fast performance, top-level security, and cross-platform support. The downside? They can be expensive. But if you rely on PDFs for business, the cost often pays off because of the time saved and the quality of the output. Next, let's move on to budget-friendly PDF editors. These are great if you want essential editing tools without the premium price. Most of these mid-range editors offer reliable features like annotating, highlighting, merging, splitting, and converting documents. They also usually include decent OCR and basic form editing. They may not be as polished or powerful as the top-tier options, but for everyday tasks, especially for students and freelancers, they're more than enough. In 2025, many budget editors also come with AI-powered features like auto summaries, smart editing suggestions, and text recognition improvements, making them surprisingly strong options. Now, let's talk about free PDF editors. These remain the most common choice because, well, they're free, and honestly, they've gotten a lot better. Free editors now let you fill forms, add text, highlight, and even convert PDFs to Word or images. But here's the catch: most free tools have limitations. You may encounter watermarks, page limits, or missing features like OCR and secure signing. Still, if you only need occasional editing, like adding notes, fixing small errors, or extracting pages, a solid free editor can get the job done without spending a cent. Before we wrap up, let's cover one more thing: choosing the right PDF editor for you. Start by asking yourself what you actually need. If your work involves contracts, business documents, or frequent editing, a premium or mid-tier editor is worth the investment. If you only edit once in a while, go for a free option. And if you're doing schoolwork or simple admin tasks, a budget-friendly editor usually hits that perfect balance between features and affordability. And that's our PDF editor review for 2025. I hope this helped you figure out which tool fits your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tech reviews and productivity tips. Thanks for watching.